It's wonderful to hear about your love for mince pies, and these mini puddings sound like a heavenly Christmas treat. Here's a detailed recipe for creating these divine puddings, which are a cross between mince pies and steamed sponge. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Celsius fan, /350 degrees F/gas for and boiling the kettle. Brush each Dario mold with butter and chill them in the fridge. In a large bowl, beat the butter and caster sugar until pale and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. In another bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, salt, and spices. Incorporate the dry ingredients into the butter and sugar mixture, adding milk to create a smooth cake batter. Divide the mincemeat equally among the 4 Dario molds, then top with the cake batter, filling each mold to the brim. Cut 4 circles of greaseproof paper, each matching the size of the mold's rims, and use them to cover the cake batter. Take 4 20 cm x 20 cm pieces of foil, fold each in half, and create a 5 cm pleat in the middle to allow the pudding's room to rise. Place the foil with the seam in the middle on top of each mold, crimping around the edges to seal. Set up a steaming system by placing the molds in a casserole dish with a lid or roasting pan covered with foil that can act as a lid. Pour enough boiling water into the dish to reach halfway up the sides of the molds. Cover the dish or pan and bake for 35 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Remove the puddings from the oven, carefully lift them from the water bath, and let them cool briefly. Peel off the foil and paper lids, then use a small palette knife to loosen the edges. Flip out each pudding into a bowl and serve with cold cream or custard. Enjoy these delightful mini puddings as a perfect Christmas treat.